And of course, one of the key fundamentals of Te Ao Māori is that it's an awareness that we have our moment in the sun and that we should make full use of it, not solely for our benefit, but as a acknowledgement of our ancestors, and in order to provide a better space for our children and the children to come to make even more leaps forward and to live a fulfilled and positive life. So cooking offers an extraordinary invitation as a pathway that really connects us to what a lived experience of Mana Motuhake, of real sovereignty, which is leadership with accountability and responsibility, ultimately. And it leads us to a life that honours our ancestors, it honours our land, it honours our heritage, and it honours the future of our children and the generations to come.